Hi! Welcome to deliciousLee with Ara. Today we're gonna make an amazing JIN JJAMBBONG, the Kim's Ramyun Way. What you have to do is a perfect selection of different kinds of toppings na bagay sa ating JIN JJAMBBONG. Actually, JIN JJAMBBONG is one of my personal favorite ramyun. If you want to have this kind of very medyo spicy in a warm and very seafoodish kind of ramyun, this is what you have to choose, the JIN JJAMBBONG. Very easy, you just have to open it up, put it on your pot. And don't have to worry about anything else because this machine itself, the Kim's Ramen, will cook it all for you. So put here, and as you can see, medyo mataba yung ating noodles ng JIN JJAMBBONG. I'm gonna put in the flakes. Ito yung color white. So for JIN JJAMBBONG, the perfect toppings you can actually have this to complement is anything with a seafood touch on it. First, I'm gonna add in my fish cakes or any other toppings that you see na medyo may konting fish ball or fish kind of, sort of, lahat bagay siya here. And you know what, a good way to really smoothen up the flavor, upgrade yung lasa ng kanyang sabaw is our miyok or our seaweeds. So just gonna be a little bit lang, konting miyok. So after your seaweeds, I'm gonna add in your seasoning in color red. And then as easy as this, you just have to put the pot on your Kim's Ramen machine, just press the button, and you just have to wait for it to boil. For you to enjoy your ramyun the most, you have to really know what your ramyun is based, and of course, getting the proper toppings of it. And not only that, kailangan the perfect timing of kailan nyo ilalagay yung mga toppings also matters. In this case, as you know, the crab sticks is already actually, this is good to be eaten already, and medyo mahina siya sa fire. That's why I'm gonna wait for it to go down to like 1 minute and 30 seconds bago siya ilalagay. You can actually add this in the beginning, medyo talaga magiging ma-overcook yung ating crab sticks. And sometimes, for you to have the perfect complement, you just have to really know whether cooked or not yung mga ingredients na ilalagay nyo for toppings, because if it's very raw, make sure kailangan talaga sa una pa lang ilalagay. Now, down to 6 seconds, I'm gonna put in already my crab sticks and also my Naruto. So anything seafood-ish, I'm gonna add in. And now, I just have to wait for the beep sound, which is a mark that ready na yung ating noodles. And now you heard the beep, we're now gonna add in our last packet, the chili oil. So easy with Kim's Ramyun. You don't have to worry of having the perfect water and the perfect timer kung kaya talaga luto yung ating mga noodles. So I hope you enjoy, and always remember to choose the proper toppings to really complement and boost up the best flavors of your Korean ramen. Hope you like your Korean ramen experience. So see you next time. Bye everyone!